Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into two topics. The first one is how to integrate Maven Surefire plugin with TestNG. Next one is how to generate the Maven report. Before moving this topic, I just requesting you to all kindly subscribe Natasha Tech channel and share to all. Give your valuable comments. Click on bell icon for getting all upcoming videos. Now we are moving back to the topic. Already I created Maven project. Here you can find I didn't create any class file. So first I have to add the dependency. For starting Selenium script, first we have to install Selenium server dependency. Next is we have to add TestNG dependency. Okay, Selenium server and TestNG. So you can go to Chrome. Here you can find Selenium server Maven dependency. There you will be get that Maven repository link. You just open it. Here you can find a lot of Selenium HQ is available. There you can select Selenium server. There you can select which version you want. I'm going to be select 3.14.0. You just copy this dependency. Go to Eclipse. Before closing project, you just add the dependency. Next, we have to add TestNG dependency. Go to Chrome. Here you can type TestNG dependency. There you can open this Maven repository link. So here you have to select version of the TestNG. Have to select 6.14.2. Copy this dependency. Go to Eclipse. You can add here. Now we are adding two dependency. So before this opening dependency, I just add dependencies. So dependencies, because we are added one, more than one dependency, so that reason I just opening this dependencies. Instead you have to paste it here. Okay, Control A, Control I for alignment. Click on save. There you can find the building process going on. So next I have to create the class file. So you just right click on this test, create package, com.report.demo. Here how to create the class. First class file is Daisy_1 launch Google. So here have to create TestNG method public void launch app. Here have to define the test annotation. There will be get this one. You can import. So next have to add that one which is system set property, because have to use Chrome driver. For that I have to set this path. So already I placed driver inside resource folder. Under here you can find drivers folder. You just right click on this Chrome driver, go to properties. Here you have to take relative path, click on cancel. You just paste it. Because this is relative path, put double dot. End of this one, we just add double quotes. Sorry, here I have to miss it. Okay. So next, and you just close it. Just minimize it. Okay. So next, web driver equal to new Chrome driver. I just launch that URL. That's it. Okay. So like this way, have to create another two classes, which is just copy, paste it. Here have to rename as Amazon. Again have to create another one class, paste it, which is launch Yantra. launch Google, launch Yantra. Okay, so for that first I have to place that URL, Amazon site, amazon.in. You just copy this URL, paste here. Next Google, so google.com. So we have to place here. Next Yantra, yantra.com. You just copy, you just place. Okay, so now we are created 3 different test case. Okay, I just rename this, sorry, 2, this is 3. Okay, so now we are created 3 test case file, right? So next I just run this class. So I just go to GRL sequence run as test-ng test. So Google, amazon.in, next yantra.com. So this is the 3 websites successfully launched in test-ng, right? So next we have to add Maven Surefire plugin. So go to Chrome. Here you can find Maven Surefire plugin. So there you will be get that result. You have to open this introduction link. There in left side you just click on usage. Come down. So here you can see using test-ng for more information. You just click this using test-ng. So here it will be give you the informations how we can generate the report with the test-ng using that Maven Surefire plugin. Okay, so here you just come down using shoot XML files. This is what I am expecting. So you copy this one, or else you can copy whole things. Plugins, go to Eclipse. After closing dependency, because this was dependency, now we are adding build plugins. Okay, so I just open build. So inside build only have to paste this one. You just to remove this dot line. Control A, Control I for alignment. Click on save. So now we are successfully updated this one. So once again you have to right click on this project, Maven, update this project. So here that suit XML file define a test-ng XML file, right? So here we didn't create any XML file. For that you just right click on this project, test-ng, convert test-ng. So here you have to give this test1, test1. Click on finish. So here we have to create a test-ng XML file. Okay, so now what have to do? So end of this method I just to add this driver.close. So here also have to add a driver.close. The CC process after launching completely it will be closed all the driver. Now you can right click on this project, run as Maven test. You just choose this Maven test. Amazon.in, second as yantra.com, third will execute google.com, right? The build is success. See, test run 3, there is no failures, it is 0. So now right click on this project, refresh it. There you can find target folder, expand this one. Here you can get Surefire report, expand this folder. Here you can find index.html, double click on this one. So this is the Surefire report. So for that I just right click on show in System Explorer, double click on this file, So this is the report. So here passed method show. You just click on this link. So in which package we are created the test case file, those file are passed. So again you can go to Eclipse. There you can find emailable report. Right click on show in System Explorer. You can double click on this one. So this is other Surefire report. So different report we are getting under Surefire plugins. Okay, so this is the way we have generate the report using the Maven Surefire report plugin. Okay, I hope you guys understand how we can integrate with TestNG. This is the way we have to get the report, and you can find the test output also. This is the default index.html we will get after installing TestNG, and we run the TestNG class file. So this is the separate one, this is the separate one. Okay, once we have to install the Surefire plugin, then only we are getting this report. So if you are install alone the TestNG, that time we will get this test output report. Okay, so this is the difference between the Stargate and the test output folder report. Okay, thank you guys.